Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to find the blocked users list on the privacy settings on your account on Rednote easy and quickly. So first of all, enter the application and then go to these three lines up here, and next go to the settings and then go to the privacy settings, and now as you see here you will find it blocked users list. So that's it. That's how to find the blocked users list. So you will find it in the privacy settings in the relationships section. So that's it. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.